Tomorrow, the New York State Legislature will take up a new gun bill to replace the one struck down by the U.S. Supreme Court.
But there are already questions about whether it could survive a court challenge. CBS 2's Dick Brennan here now with more on Governor Hochul's proposal. Dick.
Maurice and Christine, the Supreme Court indicated there are so-called sensitive places where guns could be banned, but it was not very specific. Now, when New York State writes a new concealed carry law, it has to make sure it fits just what the justices wanted.
I hope to have a pen in my hand tomorrow.
Governor Hochul says the legislature will draft a new concealed carry bill tailored to the U.S. Supreme Court decision that struck down the state's law, and says it will define sensitive places where guns can be banned.
Federal, state, local government buildings, health and medical facilities, places where children gather, daycares, parks, zoos, playgrounds, public transportation, subways, buses, polling places, educational institutions.
The law would bar gun permits for people with a history of dangerous behavior, require a background check for ammunition purchases, and update safe storage laws. The governor also says there'll be a default position for private property owners like bars and restaurants.
The presumption will be that they don't want concealed carry unless they put out a sign that says concealed carry weapons, welcome here.
But the big question, will this pass muster with the high court?
It's very unclear if it's going to appease the new Supreme Court standard, and it's likely going to result in another Second Amendment constitutional crisis.
Constitutional law expert Andrew Lieb says the court gave limited suggestions on where it would tolerate bans on guns.
Her suggestions go well beyond the three suggestions of assemblies, polling places, and courthouses. Just anywhere a child is a very broad statement. And the reason why the Supreme Court overturned New York's prior laws, they said all of New York City based on density is not a sensitive place.
The governor was asked if her proposal goes beyond what the Supreme Court will allow.
It sounds like you're shutting off all of the public places.
I can't shut off all places.
So what would be left?
Probably some streets.
The governor says her law will go right up to the line but not cross it. Of course, the courts will decide if she succeeds, and it could be some time before we get an answer. Maurice.
Okay, Dick, thank you.